Hi, my name's Maria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the airport, very excited, ready to go on holiday. But first we're going into the business lounge, which I will tell you later how I managed to get tickets for that. This is a great way to avoid hard terminal seats, overpriced food and drink, and the hubbub of hundreds of other passengers. Today we are flying from London's Heathrow Terminal 5. I'm now in the lounge. Now a little tip. Actually, because we're in business, you've got a choice, and this is 5B, and it's very quiet. It's much nicer than the other lounge. One of the benefits of being in B is that it has its own whispering angel, which is a beautiful pink. You can get a bottle and actually take it over to where you're eating. We have done that in the past. So there we go. It's really, really beautiful. It's £25 a bottle if you buy this anywhere else. And it's all complimentary. One of the sections is drinks. They have a lot of drink here. It's quite nice. And you've got your things like your pretzels and all that sort of thing, which is quite nice. So, and then we mosey over to where the food is. Again, another bar with lots of drink. They're not mean with their drinks, all branded labels, lots of wine. Oh, they got the Whispering Angel there as well. That's good. Lots of beer in the fridges. Right, here we have all the nice food, all the healthy food. So all the fruits, yogurt, and all that, which is nice. Another bar, which is Breakfast Sunday, which has nice goodies there, lots of buns and things. And then we go over to the hot breakfast. And you've got your usual, you've got your sausages and your hash browns, scrambled eggs and beans, mushrooms and tomatoes. I shall be diving over here in a moment to get myself some breakfast. Here I am, settled in my business seat, ready for takeoff, with a glass of champagne, which is normal for pre-takeoff business. More of that to come later, I suppose. Well, it will. And I'll show you the screen. There I am, off to Seattle, waiting for takeoff. So we've just been given the menu, which is very nice in the world. So there, tipple from the bar, nice drinks there. This is before you have your meal. So I've ordered a gin sling, just to get me in the mood. Then for my meal, time to dine. So I've ordered buffalo mozzarella. Then I've done the chicken pea tikka pie, Basque cheesecake, and bakery essences. And later on, we have afternoon tea, very British, on the way to Seattle. Passion fruit cheesecake, yummy. Then coffee and teas. So we'll go. One of the things I also noticed, right, if I go to menu, see the window there? Very, very bright. If you fancy having a snooze, you want the light down, you can turn it down. The light goes down gradually. How cool is that? It actually goes black. I think it just takes a bit more time to go black. Isn't that cool? Love little kitchens like that, they're just adore. Oh, it's going darker. Anyway, take my word for it, it goes black. Really good. Well, I'm going to go back and watch a film now. I'm watching Wicked Part 2. Okay, I'm waiting for my gin to arrive, my gin cocktail. We haven't received our meal yet. Yes. I've now got to get that's the first aid champagne. Just to keep me going type thing. I mean, we just get treated so well. I mean, simple things like when I got the pay, economy, you just get pointed to your seat. I got escorted to my seat. Hello, Mrs. Evans, how are you today? There's your seat, and then chatting to us. I mean, it's just, it is like having a dream, isn't it? But, you know, it's all landmarks. And as I said before, usually this ticket cost, well, the two of us, especially, it cost us £800, and we think that's a lot of money. It is. We're flying to Seattle. It's a 10-hour flight in business. If you had to buy it, they cost about £8,000 to £9,000 for the two of us. That's a hell of a difference. And you'd pay £400 to go to America, probably in economy, I think. I don't know, because we use the business, we use the airlines. But using airlines is I'll go into detail in another video. But you know, you use an American Express card, and you buy everything with that. Even if you can't pay with that, you pay with PayPal, and that automatically gets paid by your Amex card. There's loads of different things, and I use it as my current account. So if you're buying something, you pay for it, everything, use it for everything on that card, and then at the end of the month, pay it off in full, obviously, like your debit card. So, but I will go into detail with another video exactly how to do it, how to do it properly. Starter has just arrived. Wow, that is a big starter. That is buffalo mozzarella salad. Now the main course, chicken tikka pie and mash. Oh, that looks scrummy. And I'm quite full from the starter, it was quite big. Now the pudding, Basque cheesecake with chocolate fondant chocolate sauce and blueberries. Yummy. Followed by the cheese board. Fabulous ending to a meal. Absolutely top class. Right. Now, after all that booze and food, I'm going to close the gate. Let's see if we can see the gate. So I've got my own door. And it's quite cosy. There's my goodie bag that I got this morning. So let me see if I can get this bed. I'm going to push the bed out. I've got the bed right down. So I'm going to have a little snooze. And I'll catch you later. About an hour to go. And they've just brought my cream tea. Scones, clotted cream, jam and cakes. Nice cup of tea. How lovely to finish the flight with that. Just due to land now, the end of the flight into Seattle. Absolutely glorious sunshine outside. So I've taken along my immunity kit bag, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Wonderful experience. Do try and work out how to do that miles in another video. Do try and get yourself into business. It's absolutely wonderful. I mean, it's basically business class lifestyle with economy bank account. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the notification button. It all helps, especially like me just starting out. Thank you, see you next time.